Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Peter Stone. I hit a button that says free shopping or shopping. And this is not necessarily a shopping video, but or a Facebook Live. I will do that a little bit later. I have a bag of jewelry in my office that will get sold online this week. So this video is about a free live webinar I'm doing at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the USA. I'm in Thailand. That webinar will start here at 8:30 in the morning. We're exactly 12 hours difference from Thailand. So I'm inviting you to come to the free webinar and check out our affiliate program. If you want a little extra cash, sharing some beautiful, energetic, positive, symbolic jewelry, uplifting the Archangel Michael. We have a mandala collection. Be a star, be your own star. We have Celtic jewelry. We have Viking jewelry. We have aromatherapy jewelry. We have over 43 different niche lines of jewelry. And I'm also going to teach you a little bit about the jewelry business. So whether you want to do jewelry online or business online, I've been doing business for way over 30 years in the jewelry business, but also I had gift stores, retail stores. I've had 15 retail stores in my life. I don't tell you that to impress you. I tell you that to let you know I've been through a lot. I learned a lot. I can share a lot, and it's free. I'm going to give you some of my best stuff free every week here at 8:30 p.m. Come and see us. 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. You'll see a link here on our Peter Stone Jewelry Facebook page. Come back, click it if it's not up there yet, and we'll see you in the webinar. It's probably going to be an hour, the entire thing with a Q&A. May go longer, may go shorter, and I'm going to answer all your questions personally. So, this is Peter Stone here in Bangkok, Thailand. Well, it's a little bit outside of Bangkok, near the airport. And please, stop in 8:30 p.m. Check it out. It's every week. If you can't make it tonight, you can make it anytime on a Wednesday evening at 8:30. Peter Stone saying thanks. See you soon.